Hello friends, in this video let's quickly talk about how to change the column data types in PostgreSQL. Why do you need to change the data types? There are cases where we might have created a table long ago with a certain data types, but over a period of time that data type may not be compatible with the coming values, or size of the data type is not suitable for the current data because those are created a long ago based on that particular circumstances. So that time we may need to change accordingly. Yes, it is a very regular activity for each and every developer. When I say regular, we may not be doing daily, but yes, you might have faced this scenario once in a while. Since you are touching the columns, means you are touching the schema, you are touching the definition of a table, it means that you need to do the alter. You need to do the alter, or you have to use the alter commands because you are touching the schema or definition of a particular table. What is the syntax of it? So syntax is straightforward and as easy as it is. Alter, table, and even it is a kind of self-explanatory way of doing the alteration. So now alter table, table name, table name. Okay, since you are touching the schema, you need to use alter table name. So then what column you have to use? Alter column. What is the column? You have to specify the column name, alter column name, type. So what type you want to put? You need to keep new data type. Okay, so this is the syntax, but there are cases where you need to specify some explicit conversion, explicit cast conversion. So that time you need to use using class. Using, so what you have to do? Using again column name. So you need to specify data type. So this is what the syntax of modifying the data types of existing columns in a Postgres. Now to explain this in a detailed manner, so I have created two tables. So one is the department table, the other one is MP table. So I'm not going to touch department table, but if you observe closely on MP table, so you have 4 columns. So the first column is emp id int, second one is emp name varchar of 10. Somebody has created a table with a varchar of size 10, ideally it's very less. Next, location as integer and department id as integer. So now, so if you observe, couple of scenarios we'll get from this table. So emp name varchar 10. So this is not suitable. Okay, since it might be unique, but this is not enough. 10 may not be enough. I need to increase to 100 or 50 at least in a positive cases. So as I mentioned, you need to touch the schema or definition of a table. You need to use alter. So first scenario is, let's increase the emp name size to 50 or 100, whatever it is. Simply let's use alter table. So emp, so alter column, name of the column is emp name, type varchar of, or make it as 50. So this is the possible maximum number of characters in a project. So let's alter this. Yes, it has been executed. Now if you refresh this particular table, so the size of the emp name is now increased to Size of the emp name increased to 50. So this is the first scenario is done. Next one is location. So initially people thought like a location might come as a numbers 1, 2, 3 or something like that. Some predefined numbers might be there. That time they thought we'll get the numbers, but now so they are getting names. Location like India, UK, USA, something like that. So I need to modify the data type of the location. So if you see in this example, I increase the length of the column here. The second is I'm changing the complete data type. In the same way, I need to use alter table emp alter column. So name of the column is location. Type varchar of 50 or 50 or 100, whatever it is. It depends on your expected values. So let's change it to 50. So let's run this. Yes, since it is empty table, so it is accepting easily. Otherwise, if you already have a couple of records, then it might take a couple of minutes or couple of seconds. Okay, so now in the second scenario, we modified completely the type of the location column. Next one, third one is I want to change even again department ID into numeric. Okay, so or let me take a not department, assume this is a commission or something like that. So let's create a one more table for our example. So this is a what is that, bonus. Okay, so bonus, I'll create a bonus. Let me make it as a different table, emp1, just for example. People might think department ID cannot be a something like that, right? Yeah. So now I created a emp1 table. If you see here, bonus is integer, but the expectation of bonus might come with a integer, means it doesn't accept a decimal points, but I want decimal actually in the bonus. So people might be getting like 1,000 point, like something like that. If you understand now bonus doesn't accept. Since it's integer, so bonus doesn't accept 21 dot some 90 something, these kind of values. It does not accept because that's an integer. So now I want to make it as a numeric. Okay, so since that case, simply it is as simple as it is alter table emp quickly alter column. What is the name? Bonus. Alter column bonus. Type. Type as what type? Numeric. Numeric. Okay, so I'm using here using class. So I want to do the explicit cast conversion here. So since the table is empty, it does not take much time using. So what I'm doing is again bonus colon numeric. But let us take, if it is integer, first let me take it as numeric, then I'll take it as otherwise let's fine. Let's run this. Both are same. Bonus. Okay, sorry, emp1, not emp. Yeah. Run this. Yes, it has been converted. So either is same, you use so but there are chances of getting implicit conversion might fail. So that is the reason why. So even the error message clearly says you it was expecting a using class. That is the reason why I directly use using class to make it this. So even I can run this command as many times as I can, because there is no harm in running it, because it's alter only. Okay, even though it's already converted to numeric, still again it tries to convert numeric and it doesn't fail. It still executes. So that's how we modify the column data types. That's how we increase the column lengths. So based on the current scenarios, or you can think of even upcoming expectation you can consider, and you can increase even up to that particular length. If you see, this is the first one, I increase the length. This is the second one, change the data type. Third one also change the data type to numeric from integer. So now the bonus column is going to accept the decimals 21.90 or 1.230, something like that, whatever the value you have it. So numeric is a kind of superset of integer. Okay, that's the reason. But integer accepts only whole numbers. Okay, so that's how we are going to modify the data types. So that's all about it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Please drop your question in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Also follow me on Facebook for more technical updates. Please like and subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.